that river, enjoy the tour. Float, float in your boat, look around and see a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful world. Learn to count with me. I see 4 flamingos flapping their big wings, landing on the water now, floating while we sing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 flamingos on the tour, fishing for some food to eat. Wow, they caught one, what a score! Row, row down the stream, looking at the trees. Look at all the monkeys climb, swinging in the leaves. 1, 2, 3, and more. 4 little monkeys, watch them soar. One fell out of the tree and hit his head. Now there's 3. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Who do you think is the king of the jungle? Look and you will see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 huge lions on the shore. Big, majestic jungle cats. How amazing! Hear them roar. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. I count 6 green crocodiles. Don't get scared and scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 birds in the tree. Look, look, on the shore. Near the 8 birds, there's one more. That makes 9 birds I can see. They're so colorful, that's amazing. Red, blue, yellow, green. 9 pretty birds, I hear them singing, squawking, chirping, whistling. There's so much diversity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see 10 fish near the boat, swimming in the stream. Wow, wow, fish are neat. They're like birds under my feet. They swim with fins, just like wings, but they fly in water, see? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 thanks for counting with me. There was one in the bed and a little one said, I'm scared, I'm scared. So one got in and now there's 2. There were 2 in the bed and the little one said, I'm scared, I'm scared. So one got in and now there's 3. What is that? There were 3 in the bed and the little one said, I'm scared, me too. So they both got in and now there's 5. There were 5 in the bed and the little one said, I'm scared, I'm scared. So one got in with the fire. Don't mess around with stoves. Uh-oh, you'll get burned by matches if you're not careful. There are 4 rules to safety. There are 4 things a kid should know in a fire emergency. When you're caught in a fire zone, stop, drop, and roll. Crawl under smoke. Call 911. Tell an adult. These are the 4 main things you need to know in a fire zone. When you're around a candle, don't throw around a ball. Uh-oh, if you tip it over, here's what you need to know. Blow out the candle and yell for a parent so it doesn't burn things around it. Don't start a fire and don't touch hot wax. There are 4 rules to safety. There are 4 things a kid should know in a fire emergency. When you're caught in a fire zone, stop, drop, and roll. Crawl under smoke. Call 911. Tell an adult. These are the 4 main things you need to know in a fire zone. One time my teacher invited a firefighter to my class. He looked so cool with his gear on. I wanna be one when I get older. He taught us to be safe in emergencies. If you happen to catch fire, get on the ground and roll like me. He told us in a fire, crawl beneath the smoke. Try to go outside if you can get out the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rules to safety. There are 4 things a kid should know in a fire emergency. When you're caught in a fire zone, there are 4 rules to safety. There are 4 things a kid should know in a fire emergency. When you're caught in a fire zone, stop, drop, and roll. Crawl under smoke. Call 911.